My name is Dr. Stephen Hicks. I'm from the University of Southampton. I'm working with Dr. David Hawthorne from the British Geological Survey, and we've just installed Britain's newest seismic monitoring station. And so we're down in Surrey in the southeast of England. We've installed the station in response to 7 earthquakes which have occurred in the area since April 2018. And what we're doing here is to really increase our seismic observations in the southeast of England to try and understand exactly where these earthquakes are occurring. The nearest seismic station is currently over 60 kilometres away, so what we're doing with 2 new seismic stations like the one we've got here is to try and better resolve the locations and depths of these earthquakes in order for us to understand what's actually causing these events to occur. So should any more earthquakes occur in the near future, then these 2 new seismic stations that we've got in Surrey will be able to record these earthquakes with great accuracy. So what we've done is we've dug a hole just to the right of me. You can see this heap of dirt. We've dug a hole about ½ a metre deep, and in there is a very sensitive instrument called a seismometer, and what that's doing is constantly measuring small changes in the ground motion that might be caused by an earthquake but also by noise sources. So we've got moving trees, we've got lorries on a nearby road. So these are noise sources that we have to deal with. So we've chosen this site in order to better detect these earthquakes, but also as far away from noise sources as possible. In this black box here we've got the electronic equipment that records the data, and then it's got a wireless network device. This is the antenna for that. That is sending data back to the British Geological Survey's data centre in real time, so it's sending data 100 times every second, so that's constantly doing it, and this will be doing it for many months to come. And here we have the solar panel. It's a very sunny day today, so the battery inside this box will be charging very nicely, hopefully in time for winter. And so this unit is running completely autonomously, so it's running on its own and will continue to do so for the next few months and maybe beyond, depending on how this earthquake sequence pans out.